Welcome to Revo Ride. Today, we have something truly extraordinary: the 2025 Rolls-Royce Phantom by Mansory, finished in a breathtaking shade of grey. Parked in a luxurious white showroom, this is the pinnacle of automotive luxury, where elegance meets high-performance craftsmanship. Mansory has once again redefined exclusivity, taking the already magnificent Phantom and elevating it to an entirely new level. From the very first glance, this Phantom commands attention. Mansory has given it a striking transformation with a redesigned front fascia, an imposing new grille, and a sculpted carbon fiber hood that enhances its bold character. The signature LED headlights retain the unmistakable Rolls-Royce presence, but with a sharper, more modern edge. The aerodynamic enhancements add a layer of sportiness, making this Phantom look even more dominant on the road. Moving along the side, the presence of Mansory's craftsmanship becomes even more apparent. The extended body kit features widened fenders that give the car a more powerful stance, while the sleek carbon fiber side skirts contribute to its dynamic appearance. The massive multi-spoke forged wheels, finished in black, create a striking contrast against the deep grey paintwork, exuding pure sophistication. Sitting proudly at the front, the Spirit of Ecstasy remains a symbol of prestige, gliding effortlessly as the epitome of luxury. At the rear, Mansory's signature touches continue. A redesigned bumper integrates seamlessly with quad exhaust tips, giving the Phantom a sportier, more aggressive presence. A subtle yet effective carbon fiber spoiler completes the look, reinforcing that this isn't just any Rolls-Royce, it's a Mansory masterpiece. The attention to detail in every exterior element showcases the level of personalization that sets this Phantom apart from any other luxury sedan in the world. Stepping inside, the cabin is an experience of absolute indulgence. The finest handcrafted leather wraps around every surface, complemented by premium carbon fiber accents and a bespoke Mansory design philosophy that radiates exclusivity. The Starlight headliner, illuminated with thousands of tiny LEDs, creates a celestial atmosphere, further enhancing the luxurious ambience. Every detail, from the embroidered seats to the custom-designed steering wheel, has been meticulously crafted to reflect unparalleled sophistication. The digital cockpit has been upgraded with the latest technology, seamlessly blending classic Rolls-Royce elegance with modern innovation. State-of-the-art infotainment, bespoke ambient lighting, and a tailor-made sound system provide an immersive driving experience. Every function is designed for effortless control, allowing the driver and passengers to travel in supreme comfort while being surrounded by the pinnacle of luxury. Under the hood, this Phantom by Mansory is more than just a statement of luxury, it's a powerhouse. The legendary 6.75-liter twin-turbocharged V12 engine has been fine-tuned by Mansory to deliver an exhilarating performance upgrade. With increased horsepower and torque, acceleration feels effortless, and the driving dynamics are noticeably enhanced. An upgraded exhaust system not only amplifies its presence but also produces a refined, deep growl that asserts its authority without compromising the signature Rolls-Royce quietness. Driving this Phantom is an experience like no other. The enhanced suspension system ensures that every journey is smoother than ever, effortlessly gliding over any surface with the signature Rolls-Royce Magic Carpet Ride. Despite the sportier elements introduced by Mansory, the car remains whisper quiet inside, isolating you from the outside world. This is a vehicle designed for those who demand not just comfort, but an entirely serene driving environment, where every mile feels like a first-class experience. The 2025 Rolls-Royce Phantom by Mansory is more than just a luxury sedan, it is a statement of power, individuality, and unmatched craftsmanship. This is a vehicle built for those who refuse to settle for anything less than perfection. It represents the pinnacle of automotive excellence, a true fusion of bespoke luxury and cutting-edge performance. If you enjoyed this exclusive look at the Mansory tuned Phantom, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Revo Ride for more incredible automotive content. Stay tuned for more high-end luxury and performance reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.